Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to the Zoe and Chauncey show. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give it a huge thumbs up. Today we're gonna be doing a mukbang.
He has some hot wings. I have some.
And she have barbecue wings. So let's get started.
Wait, let's start the video over. Start the video over.
You can't get yours open?
I can't, but we should start the video over because I said can't.
No.
These hot wings not that hot.
I don't want to try one.
They're not that hot.
Not at all.
What you mean? They're not warm enough or what?
That is, but now they can spicy.
Now they getting spicy, huh? Yeah.
Really good about for chicken when
What y'all want? You want a hot wing and give him a barbecue?
I don't eat barbecue that much.
you know those barbecue wings that we had?
I don't eat them all.
You don't want to share with your sister? Let her taste one hot one, and you taste one barbecue.
These taste real good.
Here go that food. Eat it up.
We got that one to eat. Yum yum. Did you go upstairs? Angel?
Cashew.
Huh? Everything gave me taking a long time. Look. One time he was taking the one moves always top was good and
And I ate it out. We have a piece.
a boy! You're doing so
Sure.
ew!
It's red.
And I'm gonna give you this whole thing.
Uh-uh.
Your
He
hand.
don't want none. He just let me taste it, but he don't want none.
Look at my hand.
That's why you got a paper towel. Wipe your hands.
I tasted this before. When we was where I couldn't run. With it, it's the same chicken nuggets. Ain't they? Ain't these the same as the ones that we had there when we ordered food?
Yes. From his birthday. You didn't tell him about your birthday.
Oh yeah, guys. My birthday, we have cupcake, hot wings, we have food.
Ooh.
It's so delicious.
Ooh, and I'm so high.
That's why all you needed was a little piece.
I need water.
Everybody can't go. Where you going?
I need
Granny.
water.
Well, you're going to have to wait.
Well, I don't want to tell tomorrow. I need that one to school.
Look at my water bottle right up there. Okay. Comment down below if you think these are really hot. Look at the extra red.
They look really hot. Really?
Yeah,
Really hot.
I was hot, guys. That's so hot, my mouth burns. Don't there's water in there. Oh, fill it up.
It's in.
Fill it up. Let me know if you like hot wings or about hot wings are best. Some of y'all might like hot wings, some of y'all like barbecue wings. You know. Why do you need water? So I don't burn.
No, it's got. I had to get some water because my mouth burned. I look at it like that. I'm not going to use hot wings good.
You mean barbecue wings?
Yeah.
You got extra hot. And guys, these are so spicy. Look at the paper towel, guys. It's really red. It's almost red.
I think
If y'all old enough to try this at home, comment down below. These are spicy.
And go order them. They're so good.
I got one.
Why do y'all have stars stuck to y'all?
Those stickers.
Okay. Your teacher gave them to you?
Yeah.
That's what you wear to school?
What?
You wore that to school?
Yeah.
Yeah, because today was a showcase.
Oh, so you didn't need no uniform?
No.
Oh, okay.
That's why I look over like that. But tomorrow we have to go to school.
Tomorrow you're not going to school.
Tomorrow we got school, we got a school club. Comment down below if you don't like school clothes.
I know tomorrow Thursday.
You don't
Comment down below if you don't like school clothes.
I don't know.
School clothes, I don't like them. Why
It
would you?
was boring.
Did you just think what I think you just said? She said school is boring.
And then
Sometimes school is fun.
I know.
School is
Sometimes it's fun.
sometimes it's boring.
Yeah, and Marcus, we had this tournament. Make some matches. Yeah, I'm gonna teach y'all one too. It's called it's called Angry Dogs. And then something like that. It was like this. Ruff, 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 ruff. And this angry cat. Meow, 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 meow. This happy dogs. This happy dogs. Ruff, 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 ruff. 8 happy cats. Meow, 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 meow. Grandma roller coaster. Woo, woo.
So you're about to lose this race. Oh, come on. Guys, I am almost done. I only got one left. And this is the spicy one. I say the spiciest one for last.
Mm.
This is hot.
I'm sure it was spicy.
We gotta eat all these.
What?
Oh. Yeah, I don't want
Nope, I'm not in
Sure.
No.
Put the top back on.
I'm full. What you doing? Oh.
Look at my bowl, guys. Look at my bowl. It's empty. Come on, got one.
Okay, put the top back on and put your paper towel in there if you're through wiping your hands.
I might
want to do this.
Yeah, I think you have to wipe your hand again.
Oh, I gotta wash my hands.
Look.
Don't talk with food in your mouth. And you got a lot of it in your mouth too.
This is the spicy one.
Mm.
I'm not burning.
Okay, y'all ready to go so you can go get your water bottle?
Yeah, we are. Yes. Okay. Bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Comment down below what other foods should we get for mukbangs.
Big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up for the video.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe.
Subscribe to this video.
Watch the whole video.
Watch the whole video.
We need watch time.
We need watch time.
Now watch just a little piece of the video.
Yeah, don't watch. And do not skip to the video.
Don't skip to the end.
So that's cheating. And but that's not even gonna give us no bills because you're just skipping.
They won't even hear this until they get to the end. If they already done skipped the video, then they won't even hear this. Bye.
Why? The bye is the best part.
So thanks for watching. Bye.
Subscribe. Out.